when Kriyananda ji and my father, they used to travel around North India, some part of Central India, and while they were doing that, and then in 60s, late 60s, mid 60s kind of thing, they have their issues. There are some problems happened, crept, and they left YSS, both of them at the same time, for the same reason. And after leaving YSS, Kriyananda ji went back to US, wanted to start his own thing, and the way he understood Master, he wanted to start that. So he started Ananda, and that's how the Ananda started. Right. So while he were in US, preparing all the Ananda devotees and all, he started visiting Calcutta. My dad, that time Tulsi has left his body. He started visiting Calcutta, talking to my dad, understanding how things are going and all. And he gave my father a vision that what he wants to do with Master's teaching. And they started coming over. There were a lot of devotees from Ananda used to come from late 80s. They used to come here, in this house. We used to host almost like 60, 70 Ananda devotees at the same day, same time. So it was such a joy. The house was filled with so many kirtans and the chants and the meditations, and the whole vibe of the house was getting resonant into their spine, into their practice of yoga path. So while they were coming, there were so many incidents happened. My father used to take me many places, and I was blessed to meet Ananda Mahima in her ashram in Varanasi, because my father spent a lot of time with Ananda Mahima in Vindhyachal ashram and in Varanasi, and lot of years they were together. My father was being saved by Ananda Mahima in many cases, from snake, from so many insects. In the hill, you get spider or you get scorpions. So many times his life was saved by Mother. If you read his books, you will know the details. And my experience with Ananda Mahima was great, and for me, when I entered that Varanasi ashram, that time he was very old, and he used to sit in that room which is near that veranda, and all the disciples will be sitting on the veranda, and she will hear them, and then she will bless them, and then they will disperse. So when all the devotees will disperse, my father used to take me to her, and I had that blessings from her, and he used to speak with me in Bengali. So, and we had those nice conversations, and she used to talk about very old time when she used to come to this home, spend time with my grandparent and Master. All these memories she used to tell us, and she was very happy to meet all of us again. And then later, I think 82 or 83, I'm not able to recollect that year, she passed away. So she left her body that time.